Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to create custom tournament. In the beginning, let's go to Tournaments from my menu. Select Custom Tournament. Now select Type, Number of teams. You can autofill team, select tournament name, enable advanced settings that allows you to fine-tune tournaments rule, fixtures and much more, and select team type. Now advance. Now you can select tournament settings, team rating range, subs on bench. You can select cap, adjust fixtures, final match legs, and final stadium. Select teams you want to use in the tournament, or you can replace the team. Tap done, and it's set. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.